I have a project called the Pulpmobile, which I either roll out to public parks and plazas. I'll take it out, and it's basically a paper making studio on a cart. It became kind of my bread and butter. I went to a lot of events with this, so that by the time that New York City went into lockdown, well, there's no way that anyone is going to, stick their hands in a vat of pulp with a stranger, right? So all that just went away overnight.
So I spent over 3 months without a check from my curatorial work, and even I was working part-time at Laku Cafe as a barista. So when that closed down as well, I was no longer getting paid. So I had to salvage the little bit that I had and make the best of it.
The cultural sector completely shut down. I was very lucky in that I have a stable housing situation and some savings to fall back on. So a lot of artists and a lot of regular people, suddenly had a crisis when their work went away.
Well, it was definitely very hard for me. I was so happy when I got to start to do that documentary for Grand Champs, the restaurant, and to do that virtual show. Those early jobs were like, oh my God, okay, I need this.
Luckily, a lot of organizations started figuring out how to convert what they were planning to be presented online. I set up my Pulpmobile in the backyard, kind of videotaped a session of making paper, and they figured out how to present it via live stream instead of in person.
So I had to recreate my career via internet. And so I started thinking, how can I change the narrative of the way that I express art on my page? So I utilized my Instagram page to feature artists, and I started sharing information that were useful to the art community.
I think that's been a very positive thing to come out of this, that people figured out ways to help and support each other. I think we realized that we were not going to get through this alone.